Hello there, my friends. All right, it's fantasy football time, and of course, you'll have people, if you're the manager, commissioner of the league, you're gonna have people who are gonna drop out, and you have other people who are gonna want to like join in. So here's what I'm gonna do: is I'm gonna figure out how on NFL fantasy we can eliminate teams. Well, not eliminate teams, but eliminate team owners. Let's put it that way. So I'm the commissioner of this one called Big League Blitz, and I actually just became commissioner of that. And so we got a couple people. So this was placeholder DB. I don't even know what the former commissioner made that stand for, but that person's not here anymore. Or that team is going to be taken over by another person, I should say. And this one, Jeff, he's not going to play this year. At least he hasn't contacted me yet. So sorry, Jeff, we're going to forfeit your position. And if not, well, if he does get in touch with me, we can always add a team or two and make this work. But anyway, so go to manage up here and then go down to league management here. It'll say things like add teams, remove teams, edit team managers. So I'm going to go to edit team managers, and then I'm going to pick the team manager I want to remove. So I'm going to remove DB, and it'll say here, click submit to remove. And all teams must have a manager before you can draft. Okay, great. Doesn't have that. All right, hit submit. And then I'm going to go to edit team managers again. And we should see that team 12, that's where DB was. Now it's called team 12. And I'm going to go to Jeff. And I'm going to click on that. I'm going to hit remove and hit submit. And now if I go to my league, it should have two open teams here. And we got team 12 and team 7. Awesome. All right. So that's how you remove a manager from a team. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. Smash the like, helps me, and have a great day. Good luck with your fantasy league. And if you're the commissioner, goodness gracious help you, because yeah, there's all kinds of neat stuff you like run into. And if you have any questions about that, let me know, because that'll give me an idea to make another video. If you like this one, smash like. Thanks. Have a great day.